Hi there. If you are looking to search some details for a company in UK, here's the easy steps to do it. You can search it for multiple purposes like you are making purchase from them or making a business deal with them or looking to file a complaint about them. So you are looking to check whether it's legitimate or not. You can check it with an easy way. Just search for company house Go UK. Click on the first link and scroll it down. Click on find company information. Click on start. Then search for the company you're looking some details about it. So I'm searching a random company so I can show you the details that UK government is providing. Here you can see the list of companies appeared. You can click on the relevant company that you are looking for. So click on the name. Is the details you can see it's providing like the address, registered address, and status of company. If an active is written here, it means company is working, company is filing its statements, company is like fully functional, and government is looking onto it. But if it's dissolved, it means company is no longer available for public and it cannot make any business by living in UK and outside. So here you can see the dissolved date and incorporation date and the account statement that they are submitting every year. So here's the nature of business as well, like what kind of business they are doing. Like sometimes some companies claim like they are doing some other business they are claiming about, but in actual they are like doing the different business, the Ponzi scheme or the pyramid scheme type companies. So you can click on the filing history as well. There you will be able to see some information like their statements that they submitted on. They submit here their bank statement or business statement as well, like how much revenue they have generated and how much tax they has been paid. So you can look for if you are making the business deal with them, and also if they are on investment tiers, like they are getting some loans to run their company, they need to submit it here as well. So here you can see the all of the information. If they have changed the name, it will be appeared here as well. If everything, every details, even a single detail is available here, like you can see the statement they have uploaded and also like incorporation certificate as well. Okay, then after that you can search for the people as well who own the company or who having shares in company. So here are the three officers and one resignation. It will show you the resignated persons as well. So here you can see all of details about them. By this you can ensure that you are secured and you can have all company information or legitimate information about it. Or you can ask them about, if you don't know the name, just ask them about their company number and search it about. So in this way you can be protected yourself from fraud uh, and any kind of like fraud for you. Thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you in more. You can comment if you're looking some particular details about our company. We can provide you about it by staying in UK.